Hello guys, today I'm back with another video, and at this video I want to show you how to customize your grub menu. As you can see, there is a small progress bar which is it shows us our screen timeout. My default operating system is Windows Boot Manager, but I just pressed the up key and look at this Republic of Gamers logo. It's actually very beautiful. It's time to boot. Let's begin. Republic of Gamers. So that's all we have to do. Just copy and paste this comment. I'm gonna put these comments down below the video on my YouTube channel. Open your browser and go to the GitHub page and wait for it. So this grub theme made by this person, I don't know what is his name, can read it. Okay, so just copy the following command in your terminal. As you can see, just copy that. Okay, copy that. Terminal. And just skip that, just click on paste and don't worry about that. So press enter. It will start the clone from the GitHub, and it asks you asking for your password, and let me enter my password. Okay, so wait for it. Okay, we are done. We are done with, and the next step is edit grub configuration file. And for doing this, we have two ways. First is with GUI, Notepad, gedit, or Notepad++ or whatever, or you can use Nano, which is you can edit the grub configuration file in terminal space. To be honest, I select a second way. There is nothing different with that, but I like to edit grub configuration file with Nano. Let me clear that and just paste it like sudo nano, and that location of that file, it's grub config file. And as you can see, it said if you change this file, run update sudo update grub after that. So as you can see, this number it's for our default operating system, and it starts with 0. As you can see in this picture, Ubuntu is 0, Windows is 1, 2, because the computers counting from 0, they're not human. Like if you want to change Windows or Steam OS, you have to change the number like I already showed you. So that's your team location, and that's the grub timeout. As I told you, it's 10 seconds for me. That's a grub timeout, and let me change it to 6. I think 6 seconds it's enough. To save the file, you have to press the Ctrl and X button. And as I told you, you have to enter this command sudo update-grub after you edit the grub config file. Okay, so as you can see, we are done. We already installed the ROG grub theme, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Hit on like and subscribe button. See you on next video.